Let's start discussing exercises related to vocabulary portion. So there is just one question, which is search the following home-related words in a dictionary, identify their parts of speech, then fill in the blanks. So it's your task to find meanings of these words from dictionary and to identify parts of speech. I'll be just using these words in the blanks. I live with my family in a house near the sea. The house is 60 years old and has a big dash with fruit trees and flowers. So it will be garden. We have 2 dash upstairs where we sleep. So this is a hint that it will be bedrooms over here. The living room is dash. The living room is downstairs. The dash has a shower and toilet. The bathroom has a shower and a toilet, but no bath. We cook in the kitchen and eat in the dining room. We don't have a garage for the car, so we park it outside the house. We don't have any carpets in the house. We prefer wooden floors. We also have a lot of antique furniture, including chairs and tables. The house is always warm in winter because we have a lovely big fireplace. In summer, the sun shines through the big window in the living room. So we are done with our vocabulary portion.